Hi, my name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, at nandito tayo ngayon sa Pasig City to show you this 4-bedroom duplex house. But before we start our house tour, please consider giving this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more real estate videos, and you can follow me in my social media accounts. Lalagay ko sa screen, especially my TikTok account, kung saan nagbibigay ako ng mga tips about real estate and mga house tour videos na ginagawa ko rin. So, let's start our video and tingnan natin kung ano itsura ng loob. So, right now, nandito tayo sa 1-car parking space ng ating property. And ito yung kotse namin. Kita naman ang kasyang-kasya siya. And ang maganda naman dito is, of course, hindi na mainitan yung kotse nyo kasi natatakpan na nung kwarto sa taas. Also, behind me is our main door na naiwan ko palang bukas. Pagkapasok natin sa loob, una natin makikita is yung ating living area and yung ating kitchen over there. Pero meron pa tayo kasing kwarto dito. Sa right side pagkapasok. So this is intended for the seniors room, pero pwede nyo rin siyang gawing office. So maganda naman dito is meron ka ng sliding window here up front on the facade of the property, kaya meron natural light na pumapasok. And of course, if you want air circulation, pwede mo naman buksan to para hindi kayo mainitan. And then aside from that, meron din siyang sarili niyang bathroom. Yan. So, hindi na kayo mahihirapan nakipag-share sa ibang kwarto kasi meron siyang sariling bathroom niya. So, kompleto na rin siya ng mga water fixtures niya. Meron na siyang towel rack, meron na rin siyang sink, and of course, yung kanyang water closet or yung kanyang toilet. And of course, yung rainfall shower na gawa sa aluminium. Okay, so moving on, tignan naman natin yung next part of the house, which is the living area and yung ating kitchen. Yung nahulog yung aking aking face mask. So here is our living area. So pwede ka maglagay ng mga couch mo dito, and then you can mount or siguro put a stand here for your television kung mag-enjoy kayo with your family. And then here we have your bar counter. This is yung counter spaces natin ay gawa sa granite. So maganda yung materials na ginamit dito, and you have a lot of counter spaces kung marami kayong pinaprepare na pagkain, kung marami kayong ginagamit, o kaya especially kung marami kayo sa family dahil 4 bedrooms to, marami kayong magagawa sa kitchen. And ang maganda dito is malaki yung space natin dito, kaya hindi kayo mahihirapang gumalaw kung magluluto kayo going from one place to another. Madami tayong cupboards o yung mga overhead cabinets, kaya kung marami kayong magagamit sa kitchen nyo, for example, marami kayong noodles na sinastock, marami kayong malalagyan dito. And then obviously, may nakikita tayong space dito which is intended for our refrigerator. Pwede nyo lagay dito. And dito pakita mo rin, Alvin. Meron ka ding lalagyan ng mga plates nyo para organize yung mga gamit natin. Para hindi masyadong cluttered itsura. And then dito sa left side naman, we have a dual sink here. So it's a very deep dual sink, kaya maganda maghugas dito, and maganda rin yung faucet na ginamit dito. And then here we have your cooktop, and you have an exhaust para hindi mainit or hindi masyadong mausok dito sa kitchen pa nagluluto. And then we have the space over here, dining area. So pwede kang lagay ng table dito, and it's an ample amount of space for eating with your family. And then here, we have a powder room. So, maganda to if you really need a quick access for your guests. Kasi kompleto na siya with your bidet, which is very important. And then we have your water closet at your sink. And meron ka na rin exhaust para yung amoy hindi magkukulob sa loob ng ating powder room. Over here, we also have a door which is leading to our service area. And ang maganda naman sa ating service area na pwede na rin natin gawing dirty kitchen is that ang daming counter spaces na pwede mong gamitin, just like with our kitchen from before. And meron ka din mga cabinets underneath kung marami kang ilalagay na mga gamit. For example, yung mga mantika, yung mga ganyan, marami kang pwedeng ilagay dito sa ilalim. And we have a very huge sink. Napakalaking sink for a dirty kitchen. So, usually sa mga ganitong mga kalalaking bahay, ang lot area pala nito is 75 square meters, and yung floor area niya is around nasa 100 square meters. So usually sa mga ganitong bahay, maliliit yung sink na ginagamit. So I really appreciate what they did here with a very big sink here. And then dito, we have a stairs para sa ating water tank, which is required by the city government. So meron ka ditong water tank sa taas, which is very important kapag nawala ng tubig yung Manila water. So at least may backup ng tubig. And then here we also have a big space dito, and then yung lagay yung ating washing machine. So what I like about this part is that usually kasi yung mga service area natin, yung mga lalagyan ng mga washing machine, usually wala silang bubong eh. Kunwari i-present kang bahay, sasabihin na service area, wala namang bubong. So paano mo aalagaan yung washing machine na nakalagay doon, di ba? Alam naman natin na mahal yung mga washing machine. So, ang maganda dito, hindi mababasa yung washing machine mo. Okay, so we actually done here sa ating ground floor. Tignan naman natin yung mga bedrooms. Actually, yung 3 pang bedrooms kasi nakita na natin yung seniors room kanina. Tignan natin sa second floor. So here sa ating staircase, yung kanyang mga footsteps ay gawa sa wooden planks, and yung kanyang railing is made out of steel. And then what I really appreciate with the design of this house is meron ka ng skylight sa taas. So hindi madilim pagdating ng umaga hanggang hapon. Malaking tipid yun para sa ilaw kasi sa kuryente pala, kasi hindi ka na magbubukas ng ilaw. And then we have a large space here. So, pwede ka actually gawin tong family area, another living area. You can put here couches, tapos pwede ka mag-mount ng TV dito. And then you can spend your time with your family. And then marami ka rin mga cabinets dito, of course, to store things. So, on my right, we have the master bedroom, pero hulihin na natin yun. On my left, we have 2 bedrooms and the bathroom here. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo magkaiba yung kulay niya, pero of course, madali naman palitan yan kung sakaling hindi nyo nagustuhan. Here, we have the bedroom. So, yung size ng bedroom nito, it's just the right amount of size. So, to give you a perspective, kasya dito, queen size bed. So, kung sasakto mo yung queen size bed dun sa dulo, siguro meron ka pang space dito para makagalaw. So, para may perspective lang kayo kung gaano kalaki yung kwarto. We have a lot of sockets here. We have your lighting fixtures. Meron ka rin pin lights sa corners. And of course, we have a sliding window here. Tapos makikita mo yung perimeter fence na may bamboo sa taas para medyo mas calming or mas zen looking yung itsura niya. Tingnan naman natin isa pang bedroom. And then yung ating mga floorings pala, they are made of ceramic tiles na wooden design, wooden planks yung itsura. So here is our yellow room, which is actually just the same with the previous bedroom. And di ko rin nabanggit, pero meron din tayong provision for your window type aircon. And of course, we have the same sliding window with your view ng ating bamboo perimeter fence. So again, we have your sockets dito. Actually, madami siya sockets. We have here sa left, right, and at the back. Kung marami talaga kayong ginagamit. Yan. And mataas din yung ceiling niya. It's above the standard height. So, that's also good. Kasi it makes the room look bigger. And then, beside this one, we have your bathroom, which is intended to be shared by the previous 2 bedrooms. So, here sa ating bathroom, we have your complete water fixtures. We have your water closet or your toilet. We have your sink. Medyo malaki din yung sink natin. We have your towel rack. And then we have your shower dito sa other side. And a bidet, which is very important for me. Okay, so ang ating last room is of course yung ating master bedroom. Pero so far, how are you liking this video? I hope you are enjoying this one. Comment down what are your thoughts about this place. So here is our master bedroom. It's of course the biggest one in this house. It's located at the facade of the property and it has its own balcony over here, and yung access niya is here. So ito yung access ng balcony niya. So if you just want to unwind, contemplate, or gusto mo lang magpahangin, yan, at least you have that option to do it right here. So the property is located sa Pasig, along A. Sandoval. It's not in Greenwoods, pero it's very near Greenwoods. You're very accessible to Ortigas and Makati. So maganda rin yung location niya actually. Ating master bedroom, again, it's a very large space. Obviously, kasyang-kasya dito, king size bed with no question. And you have the same tilings. We have your ceramic tiles na wooden planks yung design. And of course, yung ating mga sliding windows. And then we have here is our master bathroom, which is larger than the previous bathrooms. So we have your complete water fixtures. We have your water closet, your sink, we have your rainfall shower, we have an exhaust over there, we have your towel rack, and your bidet. So that's actually it for this video. I'm gonna ask you is what do you think about this house? You can comment down your thoughts, and of course, again, you can follow me in my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, kung saan nag-share ako ng mga real estate tips for agents, and of course, buyers and sellers, and yung aking mga house tour videos na binabenta ko din. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you have a nice day. I hope you stay safe. My name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and I'll see you in my next real estate video. Keep safe, guys.